For today's math warm-up, you need to have a piece of paper. It can be just a plain piece of paper or it can be a lined piece of paper. And you will need something to write with. You can get a pencil, you can get a pen, you can get a marker. And what you're going to do is on the piece of paper, you're going to draw a straight line from the top to the bottom to separate your piece of paper into two parts. On the left side, just like you see here, draw the number 10 at the top. Then underneath the number 10, write the numbers from 1 all the way to number 10 underneath it. Your job for today is in this blank spot here, you're going to come up with as many ways as you can to make the number 10 as your answer. So I will show you some examples. I put the add and the subtract up here, symbols up there, so that you can know that you can add the numbers together or subtract the numbers. But there's a twist. You can only use each of these numbers one time per math sentence. So, for example, you cannot do 5 plus 5 because you use the number 5 two times. So, yes, we know that 5 plus 5 equals 10, but you only want to use the numbers once. So, you want to get the answer 10. Well, you know that 9 plus 1 equals 10. So I'm going to write 9 plus 1 equals 10. Oh, I know that 6 plus 4 also equals 10. And I know some of you are already thinking that in your heads. Now you might be thinking, when am I going to use the subtraction sign? Well, in this sentence here, you might do 9 plus 4. Well, 9 plus 4 equals 13. We are actually too high. We only want the number to equal 10. So if you have 9 plus 4 equals 13, you don't need to erase anything. Now, if we subtract 3, 9 plus 4 minus 3 equals 10. Now you've seen me come up with 3 math equations where the answer is 10. I want you to come up with as many as you can on this side. And remember, only use the numbers 1 to 10 one time. Now, on this other side, if you feel like you want to challenge yourself, do the same thing that you were doing over here, but for the number 20. So I wrote the number 20 up at the top, and along the bottom here, I'm going to write the numbers from 1 all the way to 10 and do the same thing that we did over here. But over here, you want the answer to each math equation to be 20, not 10. Good luck!